Hello and welcome. Today I got this Parkside Weed Burner that I picked up for $14.99 in Lidl about half an hour ago. So I'm going to take it out of the packet and see what it's like. So here we go. We'll not need any of that paperwork. It's sort of self-explanatory here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, I believe, unless I'm very much mistaken. We've went through a proper dry spell here, but there's still weeds to sort out, and I think burning them's probably the best way to do it. So I'm going to give this thing a go. So the Parkside Weed Burner, the verdict is $14.99 with a canister of gas is very good value, and it does exactly what it's supposed to do. So I can't fault it. I would say pick this up this week because they're on offer at the minute.